Is another gloomy, crazy day here in the state of Utah. And thankfully it's not raining because in today's video, like you guys saw in the title, we're throwing on some new wheels. Hoping I made some cool edit for you guys to see the wheels, to reveal them. But here they are, you guys. They are the Koenig Freeforms, brand new with brand new tires. These are the hand-cooked tires. I'm gonna go ahead and leave the link down below for these guys along with the wheels. I believe these wheels are discontinued, you guys, and for that reason they are that much more special. Lots of Honda guys run Koenigs on their cars, mainly because they have great specs, but also because they're really light. I wanted these wheels, you guys, because they're gorgeous, they're beautiful, they are silver, and eventually when this car is done and painted, they're gonna look so good on the car. Try and hurry before it rains, you guys. Don't want to get rained on. So I got the wheels over here on the table. I got the IPA out, I have the ceramic coating out, and I have some lug nuts out to throw on the wheels when I put them on the car. I'm gonna go ahead real quick and ceramic coat these guys, clean them off with the IPA, that's what that's for, and then ceramic coat them. I'm probably gonna do like 2 coats, that way it lasts longer and stays on there better. Because with these brand new wheels, I don't want them getting trashed. Obviously they're gonna get dirty as they're on the road, but ceramic coat them so that when I clean them, it's gonna be a lot easier. I'm gonna go from this ugly little thing to those beautiful wheels, guys. So excited to take these steelies off. Obviously I'm gonna have to get an alignment here soon because I did replace the tie rods and the upper control arms, so we're gonna get an alignment soon. But go ahead and run these wheels. We do have a huge meet in Utah this Saturday, so I'm kind of trying to get the car ready for that. Throw on the wheels. I already rolled the fenders, so they should be all set to go for the wheels to go on. I don't know if you can't really see that very well, but yeah, got these fenders rolled, got those fenders rolled, so now these wheels should fit just fine with a lowered car. Anyways, let's get those cleaned.
A few moments later.
I never realized the amount of patience you need to acquire to do ceramic coating. That stuff takes so long, you guys. You gotta wait between coats, you gotta wait to brush it off. The coating itself takes a minute to do, and here I am just complaining. But anyways, we finally got the coating done. Here we are, we got the wheels all set to go. As you saw, I put on these little TPMS sensor caps. They're a little shiny and like greenish, I think. I don't know, they're a cool color and they're a lot cooler caps, so I put those on there. I also have these hub-centric rings right here, you guys. Gotta put those on to fit on my hubs. If you guys need these, I'll leave this link down below as well. And then I think I showed this, but I did get some Mishimoto beautiful lug nuts, you guys. They are silver, so I think they're gonna kind of blend in with that silver. I wanted them to be black, but they weren't gonna be here for a while, so I went with silver. But as you can tell, they sit beautifully in there. They stick out really wide, and I love them. They weren't all that expensive. They weren't all that cheap. Hopefully they're good. I'll leave those linked down below as well. All right, you guys, all that's left to do is to test fit these wheels on the car before it rains, because obviously I just ceramic coated them, don't want them to get wet. So I'm gonna put the hub-centric rings on there, throw on the wheels, put on the lug nuts, see how they fit, and we should be good to go. So we're gonna take this guy, put it on there like that. Or I guess I could put it on the wheel first. Yeah, that's better. Now we just gotta throw these lugs on. Man, oh man, you guys, do those look good. Obviously, it's not a pretty car. We got the black on red on silver, and she's up in the air, so we got a huge gap. But gosh, that's pretty. Got the Mishimoto with the Koenig. Oh my goodness, you guys, that is beautiful. Look at that. I honestly think some black lug nuts would look a lot better. They'd match a little bit better with the tire, with the little hub in the middle, the Koenig thing. And obviously once this is painted red, I think it'll just be a good combination of red, silver, and black. But that'll be for the future. I am so hyped for this, you guys. That is so pretty. Oh my goodness, I love these wheels. And I have had these tires before in the past. If you are a returning subscriber, you'll know I had a Miata, and I used these same tires on the old Miata, and they were amazing in the winter. And look at that, you guys. It clears the caliper. That is huge. That is what we needed. I'm so excited to run these, get them on the ground, and we're probably going to do that in a little bit. I got to get this car put back together, and then when I do that, I think I'll go ahead and pull a clip in here of them on the ground, front and back. The rear kind of on, you guys. Didn't throw it on, obviously, but I just put it over the other wheel, and so far so good. Looks kind of cool. I cannot wait to have these on the car, have it fully aligned and riding smooth.